Hello everybody, again welcome back to our channel. Today also we have got another video. In this video I will be showing you how you can go ahead and get signed up right there in your Taco Bell app right there in your mobile phone. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's go ahead and step into our video. So if you want to do so, first of all, go ahead and download and install the app right there in your mobile phone. After that, go ahead, open it up. Once you do that, you can go ahead, tap on this profile icon given below right corner, tap on sign up option given. You can go ahead sign up with the Apple ID as well if you are in your iOS. Otherwise, you can go ahead and enter your email address. Once you're done entering your email, go ahead, type in the first name, enter the last name, and then you will enter your birth. It's optional. If you want to, you can. If you don't, you can simply choose not to as well. Now create a password for yourself. So yes guys, once you're done entering all of your information, you can go ahead, tap on this confirm option, and then you will have to make sure that you remember your password. And after that, you will get a confirmation right there in your email address. Go ahead, confirm your email, and you're good to go. You will be able to create your account right there once you enter all of your information. So yes guys, this is the method. This is how you can simply do it. I hope this video was helpful, and yeah, thank you so much for watching. I'll be seeing you guys in our next video.